Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix a Windows computer that keeps restarting. First method is right-click this PC, click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Automatically Restart. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, /c:\. Third method is click Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Click Hardware, click Device Installation Settings, check No, click Save Changes. Fourth method is open any antivirus program. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.